It's chapter 3, lesson 5. It says subtract 3-digit numbers. Okay, look at the example that they give you. It says, how many more sheets of craft paper does Will have than Lisetta? Okay, they want you to estimate first, though. They want you to estimate. So they looks like they want you to estimate to the nearest, what? Hundreds, right? So what they did was, here's a hundreds place, correct? Look at them to the right. What does 6 say? Add 1. I'm going to add 1 to the hundreds place. So what's 1 plus 2?
3.
3. And that's what they have. And replace each two numbers with zeros. Then what they did was, okay, I have 79 right into the nearest hundreds. What number's in the hundreds place?
Nothing.
0, right? That's right here. Now looking north to the right. To the right, what does 7 say?
Add 1.
Add 1. So what's 1 plus 0?
1.
1. And replace the 7 and the 9 with 0. So now I'm able to subtract. And I just start on my right side. Okay, so 0 plus 0 is
0.
0. 0 minus 0 is 0. And then 0 minus 0 is
0.
0 again. 3 minus 1?
2.
2. All right, so 200. Now, if I don't regroup, and I'm just subtracting, okay, 5 minus 9, can I do that?
No.
No, I have to borrow from the 6. If I borrow 1 from 6, I get
5.
5. And then the one borrow goes next door. Instead of 5, I have what?
15.
15. Just like you see here. So now 15 minus 9 is
6.
6. So now I have to subtract the tens and hundreds. Okay. Now I don't have the 6 there anymore. I have a 5. So 5 minus 7. Can I do that?
No.
No. I have to borrow from the hundreds. I borrow 1 from 2. I get 1. And that 100 goes over to the tens place. Instead of 5, I have
15.
15 now. So now it's 15 minus 7, which is 8. Thank you. And then 1 minus 0 is
1.
1. How do I check that? Well, I do the reverse operation to check it. I subtract this, 265 minus 79, and I got 186, sorry. Then I take 186 and add 79. 6 plus 9 is 15, put the 5 down, carry the 1. 8 plus 7 is 15, plus 1 more is 16. Put the 6 down, carry the 1. And 1 plus 1 is 2. Is that right? Yep, they match, look. So addition shows that subtraction is the correct answer. They say that 265 is a close estimate to, what was the estimate that we did? To 200. Sorry, not, wait a minute, hold on. Sorry. That's not it. It's actually 186 is a close estimate to 200. So 265 minus 79 is 186. So Will has 186 more sheets of craft paper. That's what it shows.
Regroup tens. Find 652 minus 429. First, we can subtract the ones. We cannot subtract 9 from 2. We'll regroup 1 10 as 10 ones. That leaves 4 tens. How many ones do we have now? 10 plus 2 is 12. we can subtract 9 from 12. 12 minus 9 equals 3. Next, subtract the tens. There are 4 tens. 4 minus 2 equals 2. Finally, subtract the hundreds. 6 minus 4 equals 2. So, 652 minus 429 equals 223.
Awesome. So example number 2 says Denzel wants to buy a remote control airplane for $125. He has $354. How much money will he have? It looks like we're running to the nearest 10. And they got 350 minus 130. And then they subtract it. So 350 minus 130. So here they subtracted 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 3 is 2. And then 3 minus 1 is also 2. So 220, that's the estimate. So let's go ahead and subtract what they did. 4 minus 5, can I do that?
No.
No, so it looks like they borrowed from the 5, they got a 4. Then the one that they borrowed goes next door to the right. Instead of 4, they have 14. Now it's 14 minus 5. 14 minus 5 is 9. So the way they double checked that, they did the reverse. So now they went 9 plus 5. Is that 14? That's correct. So now 4 minus 2?
2.
And they took that and they did the reverse. 2 plus 2 should be 4. That is right. And then 3 minus 1 is 2. So they took that 2 and did the reverse operation. 2 plus 1 is also 3. So 229 and 220, that's about right. And they want to check it. So 354 minus 125 was 229. They did the reverse operation. If I subtract it, I need to add. So 9 plus 5 is 14. Carry the 1. 2 plus 2 is 4. Plus 1 more is 5. And then 2 plus 1 is 3. So then 354, that matches. So addition shows the answer is correct. 229 is close to the estimate. What was the estimate? The estimate was 220. Okay. The answer is reasonable. So 354 minus 125 is 229. So Denzel will have 229 left. Okay, so for number 1, this is what you should have. It says 4 minus 8. Can I do that?
No.
Can I?
No.
No, I can't. I borrow 1 from 6. If I borrow 1 from 6, I get 5. I get 5 if I borrowed 1 from 6. Okay, and then 1 that borrowed goes to the right. Instead of 4, I have 14 now. 14 minus 8 is 6. 5 minus 3 is 2. And then 7 minus 1 is 6. 4 minus 7, I can't do that. I have to borrow from the 1. If I borrow 1 from 1, I get 0. And the 1 that I borrowed goes to the right. Instead of 4, I have 14. So 14 minus 7 is 7. 0 minus 5, can I do that? No, borrow from the 6. That makes it a 5. The 1 that I borrowed goes to the right. Instead of 0, I have 10 now. 10 minus 5 is 5. And then 5 minus 4 is 1.